attention, please?
Because the puppets are here.
Straight from Zenon's farm. Voila!
Exactly. Zenon?
Oui?
Today we present Bartolito does not want to eat vegetables. Hello friends, welcome to the Puppets of the Farm. Today we bring you a delicious lunch with Bartolito. I have many guest stars for you, like our friend Pepe the Parrot.
Bartolito, I think you are sitting where the boss usually does.
Don't interrupt the host, Pepe. I'll continue presenting my guests, starting with you, Lola the cow.
Oh, thank you very much, Bartolito. I am hungry, very hungry.
Calm down, Lola. Our chef has everything ready. Now our last guest. Beto the wolf. Who invited Beto the wolf? I didn't know we invited Beto the wolf. Production.
Calm down, Bartolito. Today I will not scare you unless I...
Don't like the food that we have.
Exactly.
Easy, Wolf. I'll call our chef. Monsieur Chef! Monsieur Chef!
How can I help you?
Hey there, boss. Why are you dressing like that?
I was busy preparing an exquisite meal for us. Today, I am Monsieur Zenon.
How delicious! What did you get us? What did you get us?
You will see. You will see.
Open it!
Open it! Open it! I'm not gonna eat that.
Some delicious vegetables!
No, not vegetables. Yuck! Nobody likes vegetables. Oh, that hurt.
Bartolito, vegetables are delicious and very good for your health too. Look, here I have a fresh carrot. Very tasty. They are very good for the eyes.
Exactly. To see you better.
What did you say, Wolf?
To see you better.
Now you will see better and not scare them, Beto the wolf. Look, I also brought spinach and that helps make us very strong. Pepe, you can eat spinach, you know.
Yes, it's so delicious! And I can also eat potatoes!
Yes! And look, I also brought you some potatoes.
Potato is so delicious! And the spinach is good too!
Oh, I'm sad I can only eat the grass, although the farm's grass is very delicious.
And what can I eat?
Bartolito, you can eat very delicious things. Look, I brought you corn. What do you say, Bartolito?
I think you finally convinced me. I'm going to eat some vegetables. Yeah.
And all our dear friends should also eat them at home. They are so delicious and so healthy.
Yes!
Thank you, Zenon.
You're
I
welcome.
don't want to know anything about carrots for a while.
Exactly. Until next time, folks. Goodbye.
So is it time to eat? Waiter, bring me my grass, please.
Your attention, please.
Because the puppets are here.
Right here from Zenon's farm!
Exactly.
Hey, that's my phrase, Lola. Today we bring you finding a toothbrush for Beto the wolf.
Welcome to my show. Without wasting time, and to the joy of all of you, I will sing.
Bartolito was a rooster who was very happy. When the sun came out each day, Bartolito would start to sing.
No, Bartolito, that's a wolf. A wolf? It's Beto.
Exactly.
Ugh, gross. It stinks. Wolf, I don't know if I'm more scared of your howls or your breath.
It doesn't smell bad. Are you serious?
Have you ever considered brushing your teeth?
I am a wild animal. I don't brush my teeth.
But you should, Beto the wolf. You have a very nice smile.
Are you serious, Lola?
Yes, Beto. But for a healthy mouth, you must brush your teeth every day, you know.
Yes, you still have a leftover carrot that you ate the other day. Super yucky.
But I don't think any brush dares to go in my mouth. I have a very big mouth.
Hi! Easy, Beto the wolf. Look what I have here. My friend, Brushy Brush. He's a specialist on cleaning giant teeth.
And Brushy Brush will want to brush my teeth.
Well, of course. That's why he's called Brushy Brush.
Brushy Brush is leaving. Let's
Brushy
get him.
Brush, where are you going?
Brushy Brush. Brushy Brush.
Brushy Brush!
Come back!
Get back here!
Brushy Brush! Brushy Brush!
Come here!
Brushy Brush, come back! Brushy Brush!
Yeah, Brushy Brush.
Brushy Brush, come back! Come back!
Here, Brushy Brush, I won't hurt you.
Brushy Brush, where are you?
Come here, Brushy Brush! Brushy Brush! Easy, Brushy Brush. I won't hurt you.
Come on, Brushy Brush. You can help a friend.
Yes.
Come on, try it.
I promise I won't hurt you. Exactly.
That is true, Brushy Brush. Beto the wolf wants to have a healthy mouth. Can you help him?
Yes.
There we go. Good job.
Brushy Brush.
Very good. We did it.
Brushy Brush.
From now on, will you help me brush my teeth every day?
What a joy. And you, dear friends, don't forget to brush your teeth every day.
Your attention, please. Moo.
Because the puppets are here.
Straight from Zenon's farm.
Exactly.
Today we bring you singing on the farm. Ha-ha! Hello, my dear friends and dear animals.
Hello, Zenon!
I have an idea for you all.
Well, what is it, boss? Remember, I don't like surprises.
Easy, Pepe. I'm going to give you a hint to see if you can guess.
Okay.
It is what we enjoy most in life here.
Potato. Is it a potato? It's a potato. Potato.
No, Pepe.
Is it chocolate chips?
It's not that either, Beto.
Is it grass?
And not that, Lola. Do you only think about eating?
Yes.
Well, we also think about singing.
Exactly. I want us to sing a song. And you guys will be the choir. Yes.
That's so fun.
Sure it is, Bartolito, but you must sing your part well.
Yes.
Yes, of course. I'm always wrong. I mean, I never.
Huh?
I always. I mean, I never. I always. I mean, I'll do it wrong. I mean, well, I think.
That's very good. Now let's all sing.
Yes.
La 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 la.
Exactly.
That's my phrase, Lola. Hey.
Once upon a time I heard something very strange indeed. It involved both a wolf and a cow, and this is what it sounded like to me. Yes, to me. Moo 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 moo. Ow 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 ow. Moo 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 moo. Ow 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 ow. Moo 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 moo. Ow 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 ow. Moo 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 moo. Ow 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 ow. Then a very curious parrot came along and enjoyed the song. Bartolito heard the singing, and so they both started singing along. So, with all of them together, they created quite the stir. Bartolito kept on singing. He was so funny, he confused them all.
Yes! You did it! Yes, Bartolito! You did it very well!
Yes, although I think I should practice a little more.
The most important thing is we had so much fun.
Exactly.
Yes, I like singing almost as much as I like potato.
See you, my friends, and may you all be very happy! Bye! Let's sing!